Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're anything like me, then you probably struggle with keeping your clothes and accessories organized. But don't worry, because today I have the perfect solution for you, the Closet Organizer Underwear Drawer Organizer. This amazing organizer is designed to help you keep your wardrobe in tip-top shape. With its multiple compartments, you can finally say goodbye to clutter and hello to a well-organized and tidy closet. From socks and underwear to bras and other clothing items, this organizer has got you covered. But that's not all. This organizer is not only practical, but it's also super stylish. Made of high-quality materials, it's durable and will last you for years to come. Plus, its sleek design will add a touch of elegance to any closet or wardrobe. So, if you're ready to take control of your closet and keep your clothes and accessories neatly organized, then this Closet Organizer Underwear Drawer Organizer is the perfect choice for you. Don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing product. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing products and organizing tips. See you next time.